Discover the hidden remedy nature kept just for you and banish stubborn nail fungus in only 7 days. Reveal nails that look salon perfect and feel resilient, so every handshake sparkles with natural confidence. Wave goodbye to the awkward moments of hiding your hands, because confidence grows as your nails regain their glow. Let's begin with our very first healing blend, crafted from pantry staples you already trust. Just 3 humble ingredients stand between you and relief, each chosen for power, purity, and ease of use. Follow these gentle steps exactly as shown, and watch your nails transform day after day. Begin by peeling 4 fresh cloves of garlic, releasing the potent oils sealed within their skins. This aromatic bulb fights the fungus at its very core, while softly restoring a clear, even tone to each nail. Grate the cloves into a fine, fragrant paste, so every drop of healing essence can get to work. Stir in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, light and pure, to strengthen fragile nails and boost the blend's power. This household hero buffers the nail's pH balance, making the environment unfriendly to lurking fungi. Now drizzle 3 teaspoons of crisp, tangy vinegar, awakening the mixture with an extra antifungal kick. Its gentle acids dissolve discoloration and spores, leaving your nails bright, smooth, and revived. Blend everything until the texture feels unified, so every spoonful delivers maximum healing potency. Application is simple, but timing is everything, so follow these next steps to seize each benefit. Begin with a soothing soak in warm, salted water to cleanse the surface and soften stubborn buildup. Measure 1 generous tablespoon of mineral-rich salt, letting it dissolve like snow into a calm lagoon. Pour warm water over the crystals, watching them vanish, creating a gentle brine that purifies each fingertip. Rest your fingers in the warm bath for 10 full minutes, allowing impurities to drift away without effort. This simple duo sweeps away hidden bacteria and grime, preparing a clean canvas for our healing mask. Pat each nail dry with a soft, absorbent towel, making sure no moisture lingers to dilute the recipe. Using a clean brush or cotton swab, coat each nail, letting the active blend settle into every corner. Focus especially on areas where fungus is visible, so treatment reaches the roots of the infection. Nighttime is perfect. Your hands can truly rest, allowing hours of uninterrupted healing while you sleep. Gently wrap each treated fingertip in plastic film, trapping in warmth that deepens absorption overnight. Leave the wrap in place until morning light returns, so ingredients work undisturbed for maximum impact. Within just 7 sunrises, you'll notice clear change as healthier pink nails begin to show through. Persistent fungus retreats, stripped of its stronghold, and confidence blooms at the tip of every finger. Now we elevate your routine with a second remedy, offering variety and reinforcing the healing process. Our star ingredient this time is the humble clove, renowned for centuries as nature's tiny antiseptic. First, grind the dried buds into a fragrant powder, unlocking oils that wage war against stubborn spores. Their eugenol compound penetrates deep beneath the nail, disrupting fungal cells from the inside out. Cloves also calm surrounding skin inflamed by infection, bringing soothing relief to tender cuticles. With our aromatic powder ready in the bowl, we move to blend it with a nourishing carrier. Scoop 1 heaping tablespoon into a heat-safe dish, setting the stage for an infusion full of potency. Add 6 silky tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, rich in vitamins that strengthen new nail growth. Its antioxidants feed the nail matrix with moisture, building resilience against future fungal attacks. Gently warm the mixture over low flame for 10 minutes so clove essence marries thoroughly with the oil. After cooling, pour the infusion into dark glass, protecting its vital actives from light and air. Application mirrors the first method with slight tweaks, ensuring every drop meets the areas that need it most. Use a cotton swab to dab the warm oil onto each nail, coaxing the liquid deep between nail and skin. Target infected zones until they glisten evenly, letting the clove aroma signal healing in progress. Allow 30 unhurried minutes for absorption, perhaps while you read, relax, or sip herbal tea. Rinse away excess oil with lukewarm water, then pat dry gently so nails feel fresh, not greasy. For best results, repeat this ritual morning and night, maintaining a steady rhythm of care and protection. Just like our garlic blend, this oil shows quick returns, proving commitment and nature make a winning team. Bit by bit, discoloration fades and texture smooths until the mirror reveals only healthy, clear nails. Keep applying until every trace of fungus is history, then switch to weekly use for lasting protection. If this guide sparks hope and clarity for you, tap like so others can find relief as well. Thank you for sharing these few minutes with me. May your nails and confidence shine brighter each day.